This is question 100 on stoichiometry. How many grams of oxygen would react completely with 165 grams of hydrazine based on this reaction below? So first off, I'm going to rewrite this reaction N2H4 plus some O2, and then I have NO2 and H2O. So this equation is not balanced. To balance it, first off, you balance the nitrogen, N2, by placing a 2 here. So now the nitrogen is balanced. Then you think about balancing the hydrogen next. H4, so you have to put a 2 here. That makes your hydrogen 4 as well. Finally, we balance the oxygen. So let's check, what do we have on the right hand side? 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. So the 4 here plus the 2 here gives you 6 oxygen. So you need to drop a 3 here to make that 6 as well. So now our equation is balanced. So what we're meant to do here is to compare oxygen with hydrazine. And we can see here that 1 mole of hydrazine reacts with 3 moles of oxygen. So if I have 165 grams of hydrazine, I can figure out how many moles that is, right? So number of moles of hydrazine is equal to the mass, which is 165, divided by the molar mass of hydrazine. And that is 2 times 14 plus 4 times 1. Compute all that, and then you have 5.15625 moles of N2H4. Okay, now 1 mole of N2H4 reacts with 3 moles of O2, right? So if you have 5.15625, it's going to react with Y, and then you calculate Y as 5.15625 multiplied by 3. So your Y becomes 15.46875. This is the number of moles of O2 that should completely react with 5.15625 moles of N2H4. Now we're almost done. That's the moles of O2. You're asked to get how many grams of oxygen. Okay, so we're going to convert that to grams. If you have any question based on this particular question, let me know in the comments. So finally, the mass of oxygen would be equal to the number of moles that we've just gotten multiplied by the molar mass of oxygen. Now oxygen has a molar mass which is 2 multiplied by 16, so that is 32. So I have to multiply the number of moles by 32. Okay, so let's do that. Number of moles is 15.46, so I'm just going to write that here, 15.46875. And when I multiply that by 32, I will have 495 grams of oxygen. And that is the answer to this question, meaning that we have also solved the 100th question, and that is amazing. You should know that we've been solving from question number 1, and now we are at 100, which is really nice. If you would like to get the whole list of questions with the link to the solutions organized to help you practice your stoichiometry, it's going to actually be like the questions, and then you have the answers, and then you have the link to the video answer if you want to watch the video to learn. But it's to help you practice your stoichiometry on your own. So you just send me a DM, and somebody will definitely reach out and help you with that. All right, then I'll see you guys soon. Let me know what other topic should we treat after stoichiometry, because we're done now. We're heading over to the next topic. So I'm going to check all your comments and we're going to pick the one to do next. All right. If you need a tutor for chemistry or other subjects, log on to copychemistry.com now and click the link there to get a tutor. And I'll see you later. Take care and bye bye.
He is patient, he is wonderful, and I absolutely recommend him.